Your Uber password or cannot log in because of a password error, exactly how you can fix it under a minute without losing your account, ride history, or payment methods. So first of all, open your Uber app. Here are a lot of sign-in options. You can sign in from phone number, email, or even Google account. So tap on continue with email. Now type your email here. After you type, tap on send. Now while logging, you'll have the option to say, forgot your password. So tap on forgot password and you'll be sent an email at the email you have written. And so go check your email for verification link, search for mail, and there will be an email from Uber. Make sure to check your spam or junk folder if it doesn't show up in your inbox. So there will be a code. Copy the code and head back to your app and type the code, and you'll be all set. And retype the password again. Type your new password, and you'll all set to go. Make sure to include letters to make your password very strong. You can also include @ sign or any numbers. So all you got to do is to go to login screen, enter email, tap forget password, check your email for the reset link, create new password, and that's it. Subscribe for more tutorials like this.